Hi, welcome to the second part of the Witty library installation procedure. So just to recap what we did in part 1, we extracted the Witty library into a folder. We ran the Boost Pro setup program, which downloaded a whole bunch of libraries. And then we installed a CMake open source make utility. Okay, so in this second part, what we're going to do is we're going to run CMake, configure CMake, and then run the example program, or run the hello program of Witty in Visual C++. Okay, so first thing is you run the CMake from your start menu. Okay, it'll come up something like this. Okay, so where is the source code? Well, you put in the folder where you install your Witty. So this is where I put mine. And then where to build the binaries, just put exactly the same thing as before, but as above it, just add a build folder. Actually, it doesn't matter where you put it, but anyway, this is the recommended practice. Next, you click configure. Okay, so here you got to choose the particular compiler that you have. So in my case, it's Visual Studio 9 2008. So that's fine. Click finish, and off it goes. Here it's actually testing Visual Studio 9 2008 whether if it works or not. So there you go, it worked. And then it goes ahead doing whatever it needs to do. Now it's gonna fail because we haven't told it where the Boost library is located. So that's what we're gonna do next. So click OK here. Find this Boost prefix. Okay, and then choose a folder of where you've installed the Boost version. So this is where I've installed mine. And then additionally, you need to go scroll down a little further, and then until you find this WT no boost random. Okay, so unclick it. This is the recommendation for Boost of version 1.45 or later. Okay, so now I think that's about it. So just click on configure again. Now what you'll get is configuring done at the bottom, but still 3 red flags here. Just don't care right now, just generate. Okay, done. Down here it says generating done. So next thing you do is you open up your Visual C++ 2008. Okay, this is mine. You want to locate the Visual C++ 2008 solution for Witty. So I'm just going to open that. Open project and solution. So it is, if you look at here, this is where mine is, under G. So, and then there's a build folder here. You open that, and then you'll find a wt.sln. That's the solution. So you open that, and you should get a whole list of example programs written for Witty. Okay, so there's a lot of very interesting stuff here that you should be able to go through one at a time. So for this one, I'm just going to try out the hello.wt project. So first off, I need to set it as the default project. This one, yeah, right click and then set as startup project. That's one. Next thing I need to do is I need to change the parameter. So I just basically right click on that, go all the way down to properties, and then go to debugging, and then for command arguments, this is what you need to type. Okay, this is what you need to type: --, HTTP -address, and so on. So I'm just Now all this of course comes from the WT Wiki page. Okay, now as you run other examples, the only thing you need to change here is probably the deploy path. Instead of hello, it'll be some other name appropriate for that particular example. If I would just, for example, for example here, there's a project called Media Player, for example. So what I could have done is, what I can do for the command arguments, I change hello to Media Player. Okay, so for now it's hello, so I'll just keep it that. Okay, I'll click OK. Okay, so now next thing to do is just to run it. Now, if you've run it for the first time, what it's going to do is actually compile everything. It'll take some time, yeah. But when it's done, assuming there are no libraries missing or any other errors, you'll open up a command window. Now, basically, what this means is the built-in web server is now running at the local host port 8080. Okay, so just to show you that this is actually running, so I have just open up a browser. Okay, so this is my browser. You just have to type here localhost :8080/hello. And there you go. This is now the program running. So, okay, greet me. And there you go. Okay, so that is the Hello World Witty program. So, happy trying.